Hey guys, Joshua here from LOSTvisuals, and today we're going to go to Changi boardwalk and we will teach you how you can improve your game at product photography in the morning. While I'm filming this now, I'm too lazy. And without further ado, let's head to the film location. Let's cue the B-roll. Woo! Right, so guys, we're here at Changi. We're going to start go to that location, and look what we found here. There, you see that there? Yeah, that's the old Changi hospital. It's actually people say it's haunted. We're not going to go there. It'll be pretty cool. Isaac is busy vlogging.
What's up? I'm trying to turn on my ND filter.
So right, I'm going to take this time to answer some of your questions regarding this channel. Why we don't film that regularly is probably because we're students. We don't actually film that often because we need to study, and because of that we also don't really monetize the videos, so we have free reign of what we want to do. Right, so another thing I want to share with you guys is that this is a relatively new channel. We're relatively new to this. Only Isaac has real experience when it comes to YouTube.
That camera and gimbal my back, bro.
See what I mean? So that's one thing about Isaac. He has a lot of experience on this subject, and I was looking on to shoot golden hour. But that being said, I think we probably should be heading off to that location first because we would miss the golden hour, and Matthew is busy trying to take photos of the Changi prison. To be honest, I really want to go there. So
Okay,
let's go
I need to start now.
to that location. Let's go. Right, so that's actually a really quick transition. Honestly, I don't know why I did that. Maybe I don't have any much stuff to film, but look at it. We're near the ocean already. Okay, I'm actually filming on the phone because I don't have a camera, don't have a DSLR. So I'm actually a little bit scared because I don't have a DSLR, but I'm gonna try my best to film as nice a video as possible for you guys. Try to shoot in the morning. Golden hour is also the best time. Blue hour is also pretty good, but never shoot midday unless you absolutely have to. So let's go to the next location. Let's go. Woo! Alright, okay, that was a bit awkward. Drop the recording device, but hey, we're here already at Changi Airport. Not exactly Jewel. We're actually going to head to that location right now. So look at it. Look at it. So right now we're going to meet up with a friend. He's going to be our model for today. Lee Wheeler, go check him out on Instagram. We'll put it down there in the description for you guys. Anyway, so we're going to meet up with Wheeler. So what we're going to do there is we're going to teach you about model photography, rule of thirds, and as well as a bit of product photography. Mainly the same thing, but this will apply a little bit more if indoors and it's midday. Actually, currently it's terrible to take photo at this point, but we're going to take the necessary precautions because Jewel is apparently at an airport. So yay! I mean, look at it. The whole airport is legit empty. Look at it. It's like the very first time I've seen so few people at Changi, at Changi Airport. And it's like, you want to get Starbucks, right?
Later at Jewel lah. They got 2 story here.
Okay, so that being said, on with the cinematics. Okay, what's up guys? We're back and that's the end of the bureau. Here you can see behind me, we have the Jewel, the fountain. It's very beautiful. We are currently on the top at the garden there. So right here, what we're going to do is teach you about the rule of thirds. Now, I previously mentioned about you having the main subject, being usually in the center. If you want the main subject, you have most of the focus, or in the side. If you want the main focus to be what the main character is looking at. Now we're going to teach you how you can apply this in actual photos. Now if you can see here, we have a nice little tunnel full of these, and now we're going to use this for our demonstration purposes. Cut to the example. Okay, as you can see here, our first photo is when we have our main subject in the corner. Now our main focus is on what is the subject looking at, and if you can look here, we tend to imagine what's behind the photo. So that leads up to imagination design. Okay, now I need our main model to here. So if you see here, where our main focus is on the model, is on our model itself. This is when our main model is the main focus. So what's the model wearing? What's he doing? So when we use this, when we apply this in different situations, this helps us to have a better chance of what we're doing, and as a result, have a better and nicer looking photograph. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, now we're here in Vivo City. I like how we traveled from one end of Singapore just to get to this place, just to film this video. But unfortunately, because of this, I'm actually going to cut the recording here. But I will see you guys in the next episode of LOSTvisuals. Then we will talk about the model photography. I am so sorry for all this. Please like and comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never miss another video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!